Okay, so this is the part two of just laying down the rocks. It took me a little while too because the weather was always changing, and now it's getting darker. So here it is. The rocks weigh about just under 50 pounds a piece, and I did lay it. I tried to keep it evenly spaced all throughout. What I did notice is that when it snowed, at least an inch or two, maybe an inch, the white rocks actually blended too well with the snow. So you're not gonna be able to see it. So I left the that one and that boulder over there, the natural color of concrete, okay, as opposed to that, okay. And the landscaping I did. And that's what also took a while because I had to drop the landscaping too. Okay, so I'm not done here. I'm probably going to just lay down brick along the edge of the driveway, as well as over here. This one I edged, but I'm definitely going to put some type of brick down, and that won't be until next year. Okay, now I thought about going a little bit further down here with the rocks, but in case someone wants to park their car there, that the rocks won't get in the way. It does add a little bit of character, and it does serve a purpose. So much cheaper than if I were to get the normal boulder rocks there, and also effective. So I think what I'm going to do is still use the same mold and place it around the landscape, just to, again, add a little bit of a look to it. Okay, so I hopefully I was able to help for those that have that same problem, where people just make U-turns on your lawn. So okay, well, thanks a lot. Okay, all right, bye-bye.